how to save time in statistics using the solver on your calculator. So let's say you are using a standard deviation formula to solve for the a z-score formula to solve for the standard deviation. You're going to go to Menu, Algebra, Solve. Then you type in the equation. So let's say your z-score is negative 3.2, and then you're going to say equals. Then if you do Control Divide, that opens up a nice fraction for you. And then let's say we're saying 56 minus 79 divided by sigma, which I'll just call S. And I want to solve this for S. I'm going to put comma S, because you have to say what you're solving for. Then push enter and it tells you what S is. Very nice. Now what if I want to solve a system of equations, like in the problem, I forget what number it is, but in this homework assignment there was one you had to solve a system of equations. So let's go ahead and go to Menu and Algebra and Solve. Now we have to do a system of equations, so you go to this button here next to the little book, and you go to this button that has a bracket with two boxes. This is going to be a system of two equations. So I'm going to type one equation in one box and one in the other. So in this particular problem, it was 1.036 equals, and let's open up our fraction template, and it was 60 minus the mean, which I'll call M, divided by the standard deviation, which I'll call S. I don't know why it keeps typing a D. There we go. And then 1.881 equals, and this was 75 minus M divided by S. Now we're solving for two variables here, so make sure that you do, notice what I had to do was I had to get my cursor so it's completely outside of both equations, put a comma, then you have to open a curly bracket, which is above the right parenthesis, Control, because this is a list, and then you put M comma S because you need to solve for both variables, enter, and it finds the mean and standard deviation for you. Very, very nice, easy way. Since you're allowed to use your calculator at all times, you might as well not waste time and just use the solver. It's perfectly okay for AP Stats.